Welcome to AI Automation for Beginners. This is Chapter 1, What is AI Automation? Before learning tools, workflows, or AI agents, let's first understand the foundation. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a technology that can understand information, recognize patterns, generate content, and help make decisions. Automation means performing repetitive tasks, automatically without doing the same work again and again. Now imagine combining both. AI understands the task. Automation performs the task. Together, they create AI automation. Here's a simple example. A customer fills out a form on your website. AI reads the customer's message and creates a personalized response. The automation sends the email automatically, updates a spreadsheet, and notifies your team. No manual work, faster response, fewer mistakes. This is why AI automation is transforming businesses, education, marketing, customer support, and everyday productivity. In this series, we'll learn everything from the basics to building real AI automation workflows using beginner-friendly tools. This is just the beginning. In Chapter 2, we'll explore the difference between AI automation and AI automation. Subscribe to Surman Code Hub and continue your AI journey with us.